What is going on, guys? SK Hunter here, back with another video. Just dropped my phone. Recording with the GoPro for the first time in a long time. We're gonna check out my fog lights and see if we can figure out what's wrong with them. It looks like someone has already tried to take them off. You can see, if you can see those bolts up there, those two are in, but the bottom ones back there are out. And they look wrecked. And neither of them work. And then we should just need a 12 mil and a screwdriver for this. Where's our boy? I think this will do. Yeah. I'm just gonna cut the left one out because I think it's savable, but not with the way the wiring is. I think I just need to reconnect the wires because the lens looks good. I'm gonna use my feet to prop up the fog light and just cut it up here. There you go. Let's see, we're gonna take this apart and see what's wrong with it, besides the wiring. These wires still look intact. It just looks like the bulb burnt out and the lens is broke, obviously. Take that off. Tuck that back in for a couple days till we figure it out. I want to try something real quick. This red, or the black wire was going to the yellow and black, and the red was going to the gray and black. So I want to see if I can just like straight wire it without using this piece. And if it works, I'm just gonna do that. But first I gotta get some bare wire to work with. And then we're gonna use one of these connectors like this to squeeze this in here. And then once that's in, you fuse it with the other wire and then snip or crimp it down. Once you crimp it down, they're connected and you'll be able to see if it's power or not. It's trash. I just had to get a whole new fog light for the driver's side. This one I'm going to try to fix and then clean up the lens because it's pretty dirty, scratched, all that crap. To be honest, right now I just want a pair of working fog lights. Perfect. Good enough for now. We'll have to wait until we get the other fog light in. So Cutter is really good at removing the grime on here. I'm gonna try it. Hopefully not break this. Look at that, it looks so much better already. Dang. I'm gonna go get the bolt real quick and put her back in. I guess we'll keep the sleeve on there, push it all the way down. So these just have metal plates in them, obviously. I think I showed you before. So I'm gonna go ahead and try something different this time. Is put this one in first and crimp. See if I can get a better view of it. Since it's blue, you put it on the blue one. You can make sure it's in there and crimp it as tight as you can. Same thing with this one. Try to work with the way you put it in there. Okay. Cut a little too much off, but no biggie. There we go. Perfect.